Kannum Kannum, this song, it's basically from the 80s Tamil song. From the movie called Vanji Kote Valiban. I tried saying, I practiced this name. It's quite a tongue twister. And the original concept of the song is basically a dance-off, a choreographic contest between two skilled dancers. In this specific song, it's Padmini and Vaijayanti Mala. So their rivalry is expressed through this dance. And the song as such is like more sought after presentation when it comes to a duet performance. The unique thing about this dance here is my humble attempt to show the same duet performed by 8 pairs of the senior set. So you can imagine the amount of coordination, the effort that could have gone into this particular piece. Now, it's a great opportunity for me to experiment such kind of choreography with such amazing set of students. They worked so hard, and in order to arrive this look, right, you need to define the distinction, you need to understand the distinction between the two ladies, Padmini and Vaijayanti Mala. So if you need to know, there should be some kind of a differentiation in the way they look. So we've tried our best. It may not be extremely different, but we've tried our best to keep the looks a little separate by the way they express and also a little bit by the way they dress. So, and that's what we're going to present today. Again, it's a very humble attempt. So this is going to be a black and white song. And I'm always a fan of, as much as I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer, I am a fan of fluid movements. I'm a fan of freestyles. I love anything that is dance. So that said, I advocate for learning and experimenting new styles as long as it doesn't affect your foundation. So I have a strong feeling that my kids have a good foundation, so we kind of pivoted to doing something different and showing you audience. So we have Kannum Kannum that will be presented by our dancers, and the dancers are Reha, Lakshanya, Lakshana, Rishita, Yasashwini, Tejasvi, Shrinika, Samriddhi, Snikita, Hasini Raj, Nia, Riya, Kartika, Sanjana, Sanjusha, and Pragati. So just for the concept, first you're going to have a set of Padminis come in, go out, and then you have Vaijayanti Malas, and then finally it's the dance-off is what you will see. Thank you.
கண்ணும் கண்ணும் கலந்து சொந்தம் கொண்டாடுதே எண்ணும் போதே உள்ளம் வந்தாடுதே கண்ணும் கண்ணும் கலந்து சொந்தம் கொண்டாடுதே எண்ணும் போதே உள்ளம் வந்தாடுதே கண்ணி என்றே நடி கைகளை பிடித்தான் காதலி என்றென்னை கொஞ்சி அழைத்தான் கண்ணும் கண்ணும் கலந்து சொந்தம் கொண்டாடுதே எண்ணும் போதே உள்ளம் வந்தாடுதே
சரியான போட்டி.